Ready to delve into the world of luxury vehicles and uncover some lesser known facts about one of the most luxurious car brands in the world? Today, we'll be uncovering some fascinating facts about one of the leaders in the luxury car market, Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce has always been synonymous with luxury and refinement, but there's more to the brand than meets the eye. In this video, we'll dive into some of the history, secrets, and unexpected stories behind this prestigious brand. So grab a seat, buckle up, and let's get rolling, pun intended, as we uncover some little-known facts about Rolls-Royce. And make sure to stick around to the end, as we'll be sharing where this innovative brand is headed in the future. It will make you feel like you're in an episode of The Jetsons. First, let's start off with the history of this iconic car company. Rolls-Royce is a name that is often associated with royalty, wealth, and luxury. The car company emerged from humble beginnings through the founders, Charles Rolls and Frederick Henry Royce, who created a small-time business to produce reliable cars that were intended to be driven by anyone, regardless of social standing. Rolls-Royce was first founded as F. H. Royce and Company. Frederick Royce was already a successful engineer and inventor who had many admirers of his work, and Rolls was a wealthy young man with a passion for cars. The two men quickly struck up a friendship and decided to go into business together, with Rolls handling the sales and marketing and Royce focusing on the engineering and production. It didn't take long for the wealthy and elite to take notice of these luxurious vehicles, and F. H. Royce made such an impression with their refined machines that every elite society member wanted to show off their new status symbols to peers. The brand began to establish itself as a leader in the luxury car market. But did you know that Rolls-Royce has made a variety of products outside of the luxury car market? While Rolls-Royce is one of the most respected and admired names in the luxury car industry, what many people don't know is that the brand has a long history of producing a wide range of products beyond just automobiles. Rolls-Royce is always looking to the future and continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. From aircraft engines to nuclear reactors, Rolls-Royce applied engineering expertise and commitment to versatility and innovation to a wide range of industries and applications. In looking to diversify its offerings during the brand's early history, Rolls-Royce began making a line of aircraft engines. The company first entered the aviation market in 1914, just a few years after it was founded, and quickly became a leader in the field. Rolls-Royce's aircraft engines were known for reliability, power, and efficiency, and were used in planes all around the world. These aircraft engines became an important part of the company's business during World War II. In fact, the brand's aircraft engines were so reliable and powerful that they were used in many of the Allied planes that fought in the war. The Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, which was used in planes like the Spitfire and the Mustang, was considered to be one of the best engines of war and was key to the Allies' victory. Another lesser-known yet equally impressive product made by Rolls-Royce is the company's power generators. Rolls-Royce has been providing power systems since World War I, when it started producing gas turbines for ships. Today, the company continues to make energy solutions for stationary applications, including hospitals, factories, airports, and data centers around the world. In addition to cars and generators, Rolls-Royce also manufactures marine vessels under its subsidiary brand, Pearlcraft, formerly Camper and Nicholson's. These include leisure crafts such as yachts that can be used for recreational and commercial purposes, like passenger transport services or fishing charters. Every yacht is custom-built to each customer's individual requirements, ensuring maximum comfort while still maintaining the signature Rolls-Royce style. Pearlcraft yachts come in various sizes, so there's something for everyone looking for their own private floating paradise. Alright, let's get back to the Rolls-Royce iconic vehicles. Do you know what features actually make these cars so incredible? We all know that Rolls-Royce cost a pretty penny and likely isn't feasible for the average car buyer. But do you know about the luxury features that make them worth their hefty price tag? Rolls-Royce uses only the finest materials for its exteriors and interiors. This means high-quality metals, woods, and leathers. The brand is known for using finest materials and craftsmanship. The car itself is put together by hand by a team of skilled craftsmen. One of the most luxurious materials used in Rolls-Royce interiors is leather from bulls, which is considered to be the highest quality leather available. The leather is carefully selected and treated to ensure that it is perfect and soft. It is then hand-stitched to create a seamless finish. And while the exterior and interior of a Rolls-Royce are certainly impressive, it's truly what's under the hood that sets these cars apart. Rolls-Royce is known for powerful and reliable engines created with the finest materials and now with more fuel-efficient options to deliver smooth performance without sacrificing power. It's no wonder that over 60% of all Rolls-Royces are still on the road. These vehicles can truly stand the test of time. Now that we've talked through the brand's history, other product offerings, and luxury car features, let's talk through some of the weirder facts, starting off with the largest collection of Rolls-Royces. The world's largest collection of Rolls-Royce cars belong to someone surprising, Bhagwan Rajneesh, the leader of a very controversial spiritual movement. At its peak, the collection included 93 Rolls-Royce cars, including rare and unique models like a Phantom II, Continental convertible, and a Silver Ghost Landaulet. Rajneesh gained notoriety over the past few years due to the popular Netflix documentary, Wild Wild Country. Do you love puzzles, solving mysteries? Well, Rolls-Royce created a model of cars intended for customers who love cracking codes. Rolls-Royce created a limited edition version of its Wraith model, called the Wraith Kryptos Collection. The Kryptos Collection was designed for the modern-day codebreaker, and it featured a number of hidden secrets and puzzles built into the car's design. The car's exterior featured a series of ciphertexts and symbols that were inspired by cryptography, and the interior was filled with hidden compartments and clues that could only be unlocked with the help of a cipher wheel. The Kryptos Collection was a unique and intriguing take on the traditional luxury car. It was a hit with collectors and enthusiasts. We've said that the Rolls-Royce is always looking to the future, and there's no better way to prove that than with their newest project, flying cars. Get ready to take off. Hyundai and Rolls-Royce are teaming up to bring us the ultimate in futuristic transportation, flying cars. That's right. The Korean giant and the British luxury automaker are joining forces to develop urban air mobility, UAM, and regional air mobility, RAM vehicles. Think of it as the ultimate road trip, but instead of hitting the open road, you'll be soaring through the skies. Hyundai and Rolls-Royce are committed to making their flying vehicles as eco-friendly as possible, using electric and hydrogen propulsion technologies to minimize their carbon footprint. They are committed to making their flying cars a viable and sustainable mode of transportation for the future. In fact, both brands have set a goal of achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Talk about a high-flying goal. But let's be real, we also care about the glam factor. And with Rolls-Royce's reputation for luxurious interiors and top-notch craftsmanship, we have no doubt that these flying cars will be the ultimate in comfort and style. Just imagine soaring above traffic, sipping champagne, and enjoying the finest leather seats while you cruise to your destination. We hope you learned some interesting facts about this iconic brand in the luxury space. From the brand's early days as a maker of aircraft engines to its foray into the world of flying cars, there's no denying that Rolls-Royce is always looking to the future. And even with all its innovation and forward thinking, Rolls-Royce hasn't lost its touch when it comes to luxury and refinement. From the brand's signature grille to its stunning interiors and powerful engines, the Rolls-Royce is far more than a car. It's a symbol of status, success, and sophistication. If you enjoyed learning about some lesser-known facts about Rolls-Royce, be sure to give this video a like and leave a comment with your favorite thing you learned. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more fun and interesting content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.